Aku ingin melukis sinarmu di hatinya embun pagi. Katakan padanya, biar ku dekat erat, waktu dingin membelenggunya. Tahukah engkau, wahai langit, ku ingin bertemu membelai wajahnya, dan ku pasang hiasan angkasa yang terindah hanya untuk dirinya.
Lagu rindu. Aku gak bisa.
Lagu ini ku ciptakan hanya untuk bidadari hatiku tercinta, walau hanya nada sederhana. Izinkan ku ungkap segenap rasa dan kerinduan. Yeah. I'm that you rain on my parade. All the clubs you get it. All the clubs you gimana sih? All the clubs you get in using my name. Think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own? Well, I ain't. I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still hit my phone up. Baby, help me moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, and baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
On the internet because I don't know the chord. So wait, please. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Beautiful.
Happy birthday to you.
You like that?
Wow.
You like that?
That was really amazing.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your the white, beautiful in white
No.
by Westlife.
Oh, see.
Okay.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So I
as long as I live, I